So my name is Paula Fox. I am in Saratoga, Utah. My lifestyle had been very limited. I had a tear in my meniscus and it was limiting the things that I could do that I was used to doing. I was feeling very frustrated and very defeated because I feel, taken good care of myself. And this was something out of my control. I just didn't know how to resolve. And I then visited with the oral surgeon and basically gave me the worst news that I had ever heard. That he says, ultimately I would be facing a complete knee replacement because of the location of that meniscus tear. Anyway, I come home that day and in my mail was a brochure from our employer for the Regenexx. I had never heard of them, but I thought, at the same time, what can it hurt? It's non-surgical. It doesn't leave me with a scar. It's not, weeks or months of rehabilitation to even get your basic functions of walking. And so I just, I'm just going to look into it. So I went and met with them. I met Dr. Khan, very nice, very professional, and he looked over all my MRIs, my x-rays, and he just said he felt like I was a very good candidate for their procedure. So we moved forward. It was really quick as far as the procedures and everything that they prepared me for and told me that's what I got. And but anyway, long story short, I was back on my feet and walking again. It's not one of the things that, it's just blink your eye and it's done. But it was the magical thing that I needed, because in the end, after the procedure, then we go on to physical therapy and following up with physical therapy and doing everything that they told me to do. I gave 100% to this because I was so devoted to making sure I got the success out of this that they believed I would have. Here I am today, almost a year, and I don't ever even think about it anymore. Like, I can do the things that I used to do, I couldn't do before this procedure. Stairs, the gardening, the walking, getting up and down out of a chair, standing for long periods of time. All of those things that we take for granted that are so simple, I can now do those things again. I highly recommend Dr. Khan and the Regenexx program. It has saved me so much pain, so much time, recovery. It's been one of those almost too good to be true resolutions to my situation. If I can just get across to anybody and help anyone to at least give this a shot, it is so worth it. So worth it.